Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 19 from the exercise 10.2 of the chapter straight lines, and this is a first PU syllabus. You go to playlists and look for straight lines. In that folder you will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Let us check question number 19 now. Point R of h comma k divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. There is a point which divides the line segment which is between the axes in the ratio 1:2, and we have to find the equation of the line. So I am considering the line segment to be AB, which is divided by the point R of h comma k in the ratio 1:2. Let us consider rectangular coordinate system, and this is the line segment. This is the point R of h comma k, and I am calling these two points as A and B. This point is on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0, and this height is y-intercept. I am calling that y-intercept as y. Y-intercept can also be represented as B. Generally, y-intercept is represented as B, right? But I am representing as y in this sum. You can also take this as B. Now, this point is B on x-axis. So, y coordinate will be 0. And what will x coordinate be? It is this distance from the origin to this point. That is nothing but x-intercept. I am calling x-intercept as x. Generally, x-intercept is denoted as A, small a. Now, this line segment AB is divided in the ratio 1:2 by this point R of h comma k. Now, I have taken 2 and 1 here. How did we take that? Whenever a ratio is given and the line is between the axis, always the ratio is given from x-axis to y-axis. The ratio is from x-axis to y-axis. So, the first ratio will be this from x-axis to the point, and the second ratio will be from this point to y-axis. So, ratio is always from x-axis to y-axis. It is going to be wrong if you take the ratio as 1:2 here. That is why we have taken the ratio as 1:2 here. Is this clear? Why did we take 2 here and 1 here? The ratio is always from x-axis to y-axis. Remember this. If you remember this sum is very easy to solve because you have already checked the question number 18 where similar point was given. That was a midpoint. We used midpoint formula to get the coordinates of A and B, and we found the equation of the line. Here it is a point which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. So we are going to use section formula to get the coordinates of these 2 points. So coordinates of A and B will be this. Now since this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept, in this case I am going to use intercept form of a line. Though it was a similar sum, in question number 18 I had used point slope form of a line to find the equation of the line segment. There also we could have used the intercept form of the line. Here I am showing you how to find the equation of the line using the intercept form of a line. Here also we can use the point slope form of a line to find the equation of the line. Question number 18 and 19 are very similar. That is why I have shown you 2 different ways to solve the sum or to find the equation of the line. Now the section formula says if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points with a line segment, there is any point which divides the line segment in the ratio m:n, then the section formula would be mx2 plus nx1 whole divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 whole divided by m plus n. Denominator is nothing but the sum of the ratios. So this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. It is always like this. This ratio with x and y coordinates of this point and this ratio into x and y coordinates of this point. Very simple to understand, easy to remember. Clear? So when we do that, what are we finding? We will be finding the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment in this ratio. So it is h comma k is equal to, now for the x coordinate, it will be 1 into 0 plus 2 into x whole divided by 1 plus 2. Clear? Yes. Now for the y coordinate, it is 2 into 0 plus 1 into y whole divided by 1 plus 2. Now the coordinates will be h comma k is equal to 2x by 3 comma y by 3. When any two ordered pairs are equal, the corresponding first and second elements of the ordered pair will be equal. So we are going to equate them. H is equal to 2x by 3 and k is equal to y by 3. Now we can very well find the x and y intercept. Right? X is equal to 3h by 2 and y is equal to 3k. this is nothing but x-intercept, right? X is nothing but x-intercept here, and y is nothing but y-intercept here. So we have found the x and y intercepts. So the coordinates of point A will be 0, y, which is 0, 3k, and coordinates of point B will be x, 0, which is 3h by 2, 0. So 3h by 2 is the x-intercept, which is this length, and 3k is the y-intercept, which is this height. Now we will use the intercept form of a line, which is x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept is equal to 1, which is x by x-intercept is 3h by 2. X by 3h by 2 plus y by 3k is equal to 1. Now we'll take 2 to numerator, which will be 2x by 3h plus y by 3k is equal to 1. 3 is common to both the terms. We can take it to RHS. So 2x by h plus y by k is equal to 3. You can leave your answer in this form, or you can just take LCM and bring the term to RHS. That would be 2xk plus yh is equal to 3hk. So you keep your answer in any one of the form, it is absolutely fine. So this is an easy to solve sum. Only thing you have to remember in this is how to take the ratio. Ratio is always from x-axis to y-axis. You just have to remember that. Here we can use these 2 points to find the slope and point slope form of a line to get the same equation. Instead, we can also use slope intercept form of a line. So in both the ways we can find the equation of the line. You choose whichever is easier or convenient to you. Is this clear? If you have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.